Ngayon, bibil ba kayo? Balat, balat. Bibilang ba kayo, balat?
Ganda naman ang kinilos ni Baroka, but he misses at the end. Might be a golden. But what a slithery
Guys,
move just to
bibili
get
kayo
there.
balot. Ganito lang po, ipit lang pala po. Bibili kayo. Ito po kanila nilagay ko dito. Ginagamit ko na yun. Kipang tinda. Yung cups lang po guys.
The consultant boss Eric Ariola,
Next, bibili po
flanking
to.
LA with assistant coach Monose, trying to figure out a
Ng
way
cups.
how to get themselves
One,
back into this
dalawa, o
stage.
tatlo.
It's still 4:20 remaining in
Kahit
the
ano
second.
na lang
Chico
guys.
again.
Boom!
Kahit
Tapos na kayo sana
ano
sana.
na lang guys. Diba? Guys.
Tapos ting, gano'n.
Hindi pala yan guys. Inumin.
Cross match.
Yung slime.
Barocks to the other side. De La Rosa.
Isarap po ganito.
Halalon will be fouled by Lucero.
Yan guys.
And that will be the third personal
Saan?
foul for Lucero.
Yan po.
Second of the quarter, scoring after it ended the first quarter of 32-16. 17 for TNT here in quarter 2. 8 points for Magnolia.
Guys.
Buti nga, gumalaw na sa 8 eh. Kanina halfway
Yan,
mark,
guys.
eh, tatlong puntos yan.
Ayan
Tama,
po
dalawang players pa
ganito.
lamang nakatulong offensively na La Rosa at Baroka para sa Magnolia.
Para po sa...
Sa TNT, Jima, nagambag-ambag para sa kanilang
Para
kabuluhan
po sa...
at 17 second
right
quarter
wing.
points.
Para po sa...
Sanggalang checking back in for
Order
Lucero.
na...
So
Order
they continues
yan.
to look for
Papatayin
the
ko
best
po.
possible
Papatayin
combinations
ko.
to try and finish this first half strongly.
Yeah.
Being
Gawa
behind
po
by
kasi ako.
too much heading to the third quarter.
Kaninang first game, umaabot ng 34 yung
Ay,
laman
gawa
ng
po
Meralco
kasi
sa
ako.
Ranger Shine. Got interesting in the end, pero nung simula eh, parang ang tukan
Yan
yung
lang
dati
po
na.
muna.
Hirap pag
Kaya
maunahan ka,
natin
hirap
kung
bumalik.
ano.
That series
Guys,
will be headed
video
to
muna
7
tayo.
on
Kaya
Monday.
muna tayo.
Regardless of what happens here, that will be the 7:30 game, yung yung Meralco Rain or Shine. Pero bago yung coach,
Bukas, meron
Tuca, 7:30 din, Converge, Barangay Nebra, Tuca.
Revanse.
Oh,
Pili ka? Pili. Mabili mo.
let's see how Converge responds. That young team, if they find a way
Tabayad niya guys.
block out all of the noise, the crowd, and the pressure and everything, they can be really good, but they have to learn how to deal with the pressure of the playoffs,
That,
coach.
that game was made Christmas Day by the way.
Tapos po
Isa sa
ayan.
pinakamalaking crowd attendance na nakita natin.
And
Sangkop.
Oh, yes, of
everybody pays
course.
attention. Christmas Day belongs to the
Sangkop.
PBA.
Yes.
Hindi katulad doon sa Estados Unidos, inaagaw pa ng football sa NBA yung Pasko. Ang Pasko ay para sa basketball, coach.
Ah,
Kaya hawakan natin. Lambot mo.
Tatlo
Naman
lang.
nila.
Uy.
Gagawa lang po. Tapos nandito pero nagpipintat ka na pala.
they say the service is still at Paul Lee.
Ate! Binabasa ako!
Jerome Lastimosa still not his usual self. Coming off an ankle sprain suffered in Traharing at that game versus Rizal.
Sangkop daw. Sangkop.
Magpapalik pa dito si Oftana para kay Pugoy.
Ayan.
Sarap maging coach ng TNT. Yung Oftana, papalitan mo ng Pugoy. Yung Pugoy, papalitan mo ng Oftana. Tapos may heading pa. Di ba? Puro gunners eh.
Mga national players.
Yun.
Oh, wala pa palang sa penalty ang TNT. Hindi pa 2 free throws.
Lastimosa, trying to dive in.
Saan pare?
Finally, para kay Jerome.
Ayan guys.
Needs to take more shots.
Gusto
Needs to be
ko.
more aggressive.
Ano?
Somebody has to fire up the rest of the hot shots.
First two of the game for Jerome Lastimosa.
Akin. Isa lang
Pasok
po.
kay Kevin Perez sa
Kasi
laro po.
mahilig
At
ako
sumangkap
mag-vlog.
kagad siya mula kay Williams. Ferrer pivots into
Tuwing
it.
gabi,
Ilang mo ba?
mahilig
Again,
po
the
talaga
Raptors
ako.
Sanggalang making himself available for the denial.
Lastimosa. Again, this time he drops it off to Ian. Back-to-back hits for the hot shots.
As Porter assisted in the last 4 points, Jerome Lastimosa. Sanggalang meanwhile, best interior attacker
Mayam.
with a total of 7
Kaya
points.
lalo tayo. Kaya...
Nearly another stop, but it'll stay on that side. And with 2:26 remaining sa ating first half timeout muna tayo. Blackjack ang abante.
Pag
TNT
gusto nyo pong
Tropa 5G.
i-bet, comment kayo. Lagi po ako iba. So guys, yan. comment na gusto ko lang naman mag-comment guys. Mag-comment lang yun. Comment lang kung gusto ko talaga. Comment.
Jerome Lastimosa in Bahrain and the lethal weapon Paulie going down with injuries. Kaya na puwersa si L.A. Tenorio to make a comeback, making him just the 7th playing coach in the history of the PBA. He gave him a nice lift when he started himself last week. Pero TNT proved to be too much. Let's see kung makabawi ngayong quarterfinals si Coach L.A.
Another milestone in the brilliant career of L.A. Tenorio. How many years in the PBA? How many heroic moments? Again, a miracle in life and sports for L.A. Tenorio.
Swinging back to live action. It is not Papa. Yung pangalan, nakalimutan natin. Isa pa, Stingray to heading. Ganda ng paksa, dinastin mo siya.